Yes, good afternoon, students. How are you? Fine. Yes, beta, the fabrics which you wear, you know how these fabrics are made from? ये बेटा ये जो तुम कपड़े पहनते हो ये किससे बनते हैं? From where? From which? Yes, from the yarns. And the yarns are made from the fiber. Now, beta, what are fibers? How yarn is prepared from fiber, and then how fabric is prepared from yarn. This you all have studied in the 6th and 7th class. And today we will study about mainly synthetic fibers. What are synthetic fibers? How synthetic fibers are prepared? What are their properties? And what are their uses? So, beta, the fibers which are obtained from the plants and animals, they are known as natural fiber. Natural, as the name, from the name it is very much clear, from the nature, from the plants, from the animals. Can you name some plant fibers? Yes, tell me please. Yes, cotton, jute, linen, very good, flax, very good. These are the plant fibers. Okay. Now next, can you give me some animal fibers? Yes, wool, silk, these are animal fibers. It means the fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are known as natural fibers. Now who will tell to me what do you mean by synthetic fibers? Yes, very good. The fibers which are not obtained from which are not obtained from plants and animals. Then how synthetic fibers are prepared if we are not taking them from the plants or animals? Then beta, they are prepared from the chemicals. With the help of chemicals, man prepared these fibers. That is why they are known as man fibers also, man-made fibers also. So synthetic fibers or man-made fibers, the fibers which are made from the chemicals, are known as synthetic fibers. Can you give me some examples? Yes, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. There are so many synthetic fibers, so many, but we will study main synthetic fibers. First rayon, second nylon, third polyester, and fourth acrylic. Now first rayon. Yes beta, this rayon synthetic fiber, basically it is prepared from the cellulose, and cellulose is prepared from the wood pulp. Cellulose is obtained from the wood pulp. How wood pulp is prepared? We take the wood and then we will dip it in water. Then in this way we will prepare the wood pulp. And from this wood pulp we get the rayon by adding some chemicals in it. Now we will see the complete process how we get rayon from the wood pulp. First of all, beta, wood pulp, we dissolve wood pulp in sodium hydroxide solution. And when we dissolve wood pulp in the sodium hydroxide solution, then a sticky liquid is formed. And beta, that sticky liquid is known as viscose. And now viscose is passed through the tiny holes of a metal cylinder, and that metal cylinder is known as spinret. And from viscous, that is passed through this spinret, and that after passing through the spinret, that viscous, now in that viscous sulfuric acid solution we add. And when we pass this viscous into the sulfuric acid solution, then we will see at once silk like threads are formed. In this way, silk-like threads are formed from the viscose. And viscose, how viscose is prepared? Viscose is prepared from the wood pulp. And how wood pulp is dissolved in the first wood pulp is dissolved in the sodium hydroxide solution and then form the viscose. So in this way we get silk thread from the cellulose. Now question is beta, if rayon is made from cellulose, then cellulose must be a natural fiber, and then it means our rayon also must be a natural fiber. But rayon is considered a synthetic fiber. Why? Can anybody will give me the answer? Yes, because while preparing rayon we add chemicals in it. Chemicals are added in the cellulose. So rayon is neither fully man-made nor fully natural. It is a semi-synthetic fiber. It is a semi-synthetic fiber. Now rayon resembles cotton because we are getting it from the cellulose. That is why it is cotton-like, but it appears like silk. So it is called artificial silk because it is very much cheaper than the silk. The persons who can't afford silk because silk is very much costly, they purchase this rayon. That is why everybody can enjoy silk like structure, silk like fabric, and that fabric is known as rayon. Now beta we will study about what are the properties of rayon. Rayon is very much soft. If we will feel it, if we will touch it, then we will feel it is very much soft and silky in touch. It is a good absorbent. So clothes made of rayons are preferred over synthetic fiber because we feel comfortable. It can absorb sweat also. And it burns at a high temperature with a smell of burning paper. It wrinkles easily. It may stretch or shrink when washed. Now we will read about the uses of rayon, where we can use this rayon fabric. Yes beta, this rayon is used in the apparel industry, means to make shirts, blouse, dresses, etc. Rayon is used in furnishings including bed sheets, blankets and curtains, etc. It is also used in making medical products such as bandage and surgical dressings. It is also used in making tire industry, in making tire coat. So what we have studied beta? We have studied about what are synthetic fibers, how many main kinds of synthetic fibers are there. Then we have studied about the rayon, how rayon is prepared from the cellulose, what are its properties and what are its uses. And now tomorrow Wednesday, be prepared for the test of lesson 2. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.